Hey everyone, Dorian here to give you the latest on what's happening in the Near ecosystem. This is Near Bytes. Bear with me on this new mic. I was traveling to London and my old microphone unfortunately broke. So until I get back to the United States, we're going to be using this one for now. So first up on the list is a new social login from the Wallet Sector team coming out of Pagoda. So this was announced in the community call that happens bi-weekly conducted by Josh Ford, which I really encourage you guys to get part of because it's a really cool way to get in touch with the core team members as they discuss new products and new features coming out of the Pagoda ecosystem and giving you a chance to talk to them directly and ask questions about the new tooling and or standards. To move forward, the new social login feature will allow for users to log in to a decentralized application with Google or Facebook, utilizing the new meta transaction standard that we will be releasing within either this year or next year. If you guys want more information, just stay tuned, stay subscribed to the channel. We're going to come out and give you more information as the product progresses. Well, speaking of meta transactions, the first working group call will be taking place on November 21st, which will allow you to help shape the foundation of the Near ecosystem. So I really encourage you guys to get started. If you're seeing this and you have missed the first working group call, again, wanted by the Near Developer Governance, you can always follow and keep up to date with the future working group calls by following @NearDevGov on Twitter. That's @NearDevGov. And finally, I'm very excited to say that I've created a new version of the Blockheads voting application written in the JavaScript smart contract that's going to be coming out next week, so keep an eye for that. I hope you guys like it. It will be built to get full front end and smart contracts, so a full decentralized application from the ground up, just to teach you guys how to get started with building your own decentralized application on top of Near. Hope you guys like it. And with that, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys had a great time. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow us on Twitter too. With that, have a great and wonderful day.